Today, I'm going to share a suspense thriller movie titled The Writer's Lie. Suze is a well-known and meticulous novelist who often hosts book clubs. In his stories, his wife is portrayed as an almost perfect woman. As a result, he is seen by readers as a devoted husband who loves his wife. However, in reality, after their marriage, his wife spends her days binge-watching dramas at home and hardly ever touches a pen. Every time, it's Suze who ghostwrites for her. She even refuses to engage in their marital life. Recently, Suze rented out the apartment upstairs through an agency at an incredibly low price of 30,000 yuan. The tenant is Dime, a gentle, fashionable, and seductive woman. Suze falls for her at first sight, and soon, the two start chatting by the swimming pool below their building. A few days later, Suze receives half of the rent payment, with Dime asking him to go upstairs to collect the remaining amount in person. When Suze enters her apartment, Dime launches a seductive assault on him. She tells him that if he takes the other half of the rent, she will let him do whatever he wants. Ultimately, Suze succumbs to temptation. From then on, Suze frequently tells his wife that he is going upstairs for exercise, but in reality, he is having an affair with Dime. He even deliberately sends his wife on an overseas trip,